Hi guys, this is Tridib and you're watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridib. In this particular episode, I'm going to show you something which will blow your mind up. This is a simplistic software or simplistic application which is available online that can give you the ease of creating amazing environment, amazing 3D atmosphere, amazing 3D objects with the simplicity of using Adobe Illustrator. Amazing, right? It sounds really brilliant. But how this can be possible? Believe me, for those people who are really proficient with Adobe Illustrator, you will just think that this particular platform is like working with Illustrator in a 3D space. I'm talking about Adobe's new Project NEO beta. And in this particular video, I will show you how easily I and my colleague Namrata is actually creating amazing 3D space in Project NEO, and like super easy way, the way we work on Adobe Illustrator. But before we start, kindly like, share and comment on this video. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all our upcoming notification. Let's deep dive. So that's all, folks. I see that you are quite excited, and I believe that now we are going to head directly to Adobe Project NEO and start your amazing journey with Project NEO. I really don't understand why Adobe is not going full-fledged in promoting Adobe NEO, Project NEO. It is a fantastic software and it's so easy to use. I always like things, interfaces that are easy in the UX. Simplicity at its peak. Simplistic UI design. And this is exactly what Project NEO brings on the table. Try out and see what marvel you can create with this amazing tool. I will wait to see what you can actually create with this particular software. Till then, goodbye and God bless.